I'm attorney Howard Ankin. There's a growing and deeply troubling issue involving artificial intelligence and the creation of sexual images of real people without their consent. These are often called deepfake images. For the people targeted, this is not a technology story. It is a personal and humiliating story, and it can feel overwhelming very quickly. Let's say someone takes an ordinary photo of you. It could be from a social media, it could be a professional photo, it could be something completely innocent. That image is run through an AI system, and suddenly there's an explicit content circulating online that looks like you. Even if it is fabricated, the impact can be very real. People may not stop to question whether it is a fake. They may assume it is real. And that assumption alone can cause serious harm. One of the most damaging misconceptions is that because an image is generated by AI, it somehow does not matter. And that's not true. Reputation matters. Employment matters. Family relationships matter. Mental health matters. We have seen how quickly digital content has spread and how difficult it can be to contain once it does. The emotional impact of this kind of violation is often significant. Depending on the situation, legal claims may involve invasion of privacy, misuse of likeness, defamation, intentional infliction of emotional distress, violations of Illinois or federal statutes. Every case depends on the specific facts, but the idea that nothing can be done is simply not accurate. Responsibility may involve the person who created the content, the person who distributed the content, and in some entities that failed to remove or address the material appropriately. These cases require careful investigation and discretion, and they also require sensitivity. In Ankin Law, we are investigating cases involving non-consensual AI-generated sexual images. If someone has used artificial intelligence to create an explicit content using your likeness without your permission, we want to understand what happened. These situations require privacy, seriousness, and careful handling, and we approach them that way. If you believe you were targeted with an AI-generated sexual image, preserve the evidence, take screenshots, save links, avoid public escalation, and speak with someone who understands both the legal and the reputational implications. This is not something you should have to face alone. Technology changes quickly, but the basic principle does not. No one should ever have their likeness used in this way without consent. If you believe you have been harmed by AI-generated sexual content, call us at 312-6-million. I'm attorney Howard Ankin, and we can help you evaluate your situation and explain to you your options. Injury law made personal, that's Ankin Law.